Good day to all. Today we are here in Ashiana Advik Bhiwadi, Senior Active Living. 2 towers already possession done, and around 60-70% of senior citizens are staying here. So to start with, this is your commercial area where you will get your day-to-day things. Either you need medicine, you need some test, you want to go and take some grocery items, you need some clothing, you need fruit, vegetables, all day-to-day requirements you can get from these shops. Some of these shops are operational, some still in process. So very soon you will see all these shops are ready to offer you the services and products. Altogether around 15-20 shops are there. Now let's go and review the project and see how things are ready to welcome you. That's the entrance, your 3-tier security. Now here you have a nice lawn and green area inside the society. As I told you, B1, B2, 2 towers, already senior citizens are staying, and next 2 towers also is ready for possession by end of this year. From here we will go to Clubhouse and try to see what kind of services, amenities are ready here to provide you your wellness. When we talk about wellness, either we talk about your physical wellness, your mental wellness, your spiritual wellness, all kind of things you can do here. So this is the B tower, B2, in which senior citizens are staying. Now we are here in the Clubhouse. This is the club of Ashiana Advik. Once you enter, you can see the setup. You have ample sitting arrangement for your visitors, guests, even with your co-residents. If you want to sit here and enjoy some free time, here you have all kind of facilities. You have a cafeteria where you can enjoy your coffee, tea, some drinks, some snacks also. If you want, you can sit here and enjoy. And from here only you can get access to your swimming pool also. So sometime you want to go and do some swimming, you want to do some exercise, you can go to the swimming pool and enjoy. Now we will go and explore some other areas of the Clubhouse and see how things are nicely arranged for you. Now here we come. This is art and craft room. You can see here everything is placed. You want to do pottery, you want to do some kind of painting, you want to do some other craft things, you can sit here with your friends and you can enjoy, you can relax and do your things. Whatever hobbies you wanted to do in your early days, but due to busy schedule you were not able to do, now here all kind of things are here. You can play badminton, you can see badminton room is there. You have different sports. You want to play TT, you can go and play TT. See, this is the badminton court for you. It's indoor, so doesn't matter how is the weather outside, you can come here and play with your friends. Same hall for bigger celebrations, functions also will be utilized. Now here we are in the dining hall. You can see it's massive and it's spacious. So all your meals, either it's a breakfast, we talk about lunch, we talk about evening snacks, we talk about dinner, everything will get provided here in this area. You can sit again with your friends and enjoy your meal. Now let's go and explore. Here this Clubhouse is double story, so lift is also there, and then you have a stair. So depending on your activeness, you can utilize the mode. Now here we are going to multi-purpose hall. Again, this hall will provide you space where you want to do some kind of celebration. Suppose somebody's birthday is there, some kind of festival going on and you want to do some activity with your co-residents, then this is the place. You can come here, plan and enjoy. Now let's go and explore some other areas. These are the villa which is already sold out. Again, you can see the lift. So if you have some problem in your knees, then you can use the lift. Carom, TT, pool, card room, billiards, music room, all kind of areas are there and they are waiting for you to come and enjoy your life. Let's explore the music room. See here, group of people. They are enjoying their karaoke singing. Even if you want to play some musical instruments, that also you can do in that. Now here we are in the library. See the calmness, the peace. If you want, you can sit here and enjoy your reading. Lot of books are there. If you need some personalized book, you can also bring. If you have some extra books, you can donate here, so others can also enjoy those books. Now here we come is the next room. This is the lobby, you can see, and your double height reception or welcome area, you can see it looks different. Now we are coming to this billiards room. If you are a billiards lover, then this is the area for you. You can come here with your friend and you can play this billiards. See, the billiards table is nicely set up. Now this is your first aid room for day-to-day medical requirements. Suppose you want to check your BP sometime, you want to do some other things, here you will get assistance and you can do the things. This is the card room for you. You want to play card, you want to play some of the board games, everything is placed here. So you can enjoy your free time with your friends by playing card, or you can play board games, different kind of games you can play there. Now let's explore what is next here for you. Now the next here is the gym for you. Gymnasium. Of course, many senior citizens ask the question, oh, at this age I don't want to do gym, but no, trainer would be there. So little bit muscle exercise you need to do, light weight, light running. So all the equipments here is for senior citizens only, which are senior friendly. You don't have to do the rigorous exercise, heavy weight. You have to do the light things. So trainer would be there to guide you, and then you can do your exercise. Now this is your media room. You want to watch movie, you want to watch some sports, like now Commonwealth Games are going on in Glasgow. So if suppose you want to watch some of those sports, you can watch in this media room. Here we come in the Rooftop restaurant and bar. Here also you have a screen. So if you want to enjoy some of the sports, say football, you want to enjoy cricket, you want to enjoy some other cultural program, or you want to enjoy some Olympic, definitely you can sit here, order your drinks, and you can enjoy with your friends. It's open to a sky restaurant, ready to welcome you. From here you can see the nice view of the villas. So this is the second restaurant. First restaurant is on the first floor, and this is the Rooftop restaurant. So occasionally you can pick where you have to sit. Now you can see B2, this is B3 and B4, extreme right. These two towers also ready for possession by end of this year. Mostly we will start giving possession for these two towers also. After that, some new construction is going on. Now this is your green area and lawn, you can see. For your day-to-day running, your jogging, you want to do some open air yoga, you do some open gym exercise. So all things are nicely placed here. So even if you want to do some of the exercises in open, here you can do. under the supervision of activity manager, because activity manager's job would be to plan day-to-day activity for all of you. In the morning, in the different times, they will circulate the information on WhatsApp, and they stay in touch with each and every individuals. And as per your requirement, you can participate and you can enjoy these activity. You can see different designated areas are there for your activity. You want to go and walk on the grass, you can do. And one specific thing you will notice, every 5-10 meters you will see sitting arrangement. So ample sitting arrangement has been done here, considering senior citizens day-to-day movement. If suppose some senior citizen, they can't walk for a long, then they can take short walk and then they can sit here and relax. Again they can walk and again they can sit and relax. So considering their requirement, everything has been developed here. Ample greenery, open space, you can see lighting, so you can have a fresh air once you are out or even you are inside the house. Now here, this is the open theater you saw. Now this is the swimming pool. So whenever you want to do some swimming activity, some therapy, then you can do here. Now let's go to the sample flat. So this is the sample flat for you. You can see this is your living and dining area. Attached is the balcony for you. Then your kitchen is there. In kitchen, all the woodwork you will get as it is. It's fitted with chimney and hob. This additional storage is there, so depending on your requirement, you can develop. So here you have a balcony, so you can do set up outside also. And then the cross ventilation you will see here in this flat is marvelous. Now this is your first bedroom. Here also you have a nice window for lighting and ventilation, so you get natural light everywhere in your flat. This is a little bit foyer area, so you can develop as per your requirement. This is your master bedroom, you can see. In master bedroom also you can see the big window and balcony, so any kind of obstacle won't be there between you and the natural light. And from here you will get view also nice from the window. This is your washroom, which is attached with the master bedroom. After that, here this is your another room. Here also you can see everything is finished nicely. Again you have one more washroom attached to this room. Actually this is the 3 BHK sample flat, and this is the again the second washroom is which is common also be utilized. For more informative video like this on senior active living different projects, don't forget to subscribe the channel, same time press the bell icon so that whenever I am putting some new video you will get access straight away. By the time I come with the next project, next video, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.